Hello everyone, I am Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I do the unique kind of charging test on the iQOO 7 device. Yes friend, this is my first time doing this kind of unique type of charging test, which is I'll try to play the Battlegrounds mobile gameplay in the iQOO 7 device and charge the phone at same time. Yes friends, I'm going to do this kind of testing because this will be helpful for a lot of other gamers who are actually looking of buying this smartphone, and if they want to know if, for example, I do know most of the people that don't do in this manner playing the game and charging because it's not good for the battery and not good for the long time usage as well. So don't try every day. Maybe one or twice it's kind of really fine. Once or twice it should be kind of okay. But let's see, in the case if battery is really low and if you want to charge and play the game, how much it will get charged. So right now the battery percentage right now of my phone is about 35%. I did not want to keep it really low, so I did keep only 35%. And let me try to play the game. I'll try to play the game maybe 30 minutes. So 30 minutes and maybe 1 hour. If it's charging fast, I'll try to play for 1 hour. Otherwise, I'll try to leave only for 30 minutes. So this is a default charger which I'll try to use, obviously, which is a 66 watt flash charge, as you can see, friends. So let me try to connect the charger. I'll try to check the temperatures meanwhile, because gaming and charging at same time, it's not good at all. So don't try. I'm really suggesting don't try every day. So maybe once or twice it's fine. Don't try. So right now let me try to connect the charger. So you should be able to see the 66 watt flash charge. So detecting. So as you can see, flash charge is got detected. Let me try to unlock and open the BGMI game. I'll try to open the BGMI game, and right now the battery percentage is of, you did see the battery percentage is kind of close to 35%. As you can see, exactly 35. Let me try to start the stopwatch. I forgot to start the stopwatch. So let's see. I'll try to check the temperatures. Right now the temperature is of close to 32 degrees. I think not bad. 32. My room temperature is 30. As you can see, it's exactly 33 and 30. As you can see, not bad. So it's completely kind of close to room temperature only. So everywhere. So there is no AC, there is no cooler. And one more thing, the iQOO 7 will not charge faster if the temperature is really high. If you watch videos, if you use the phone, the charging speed will not increase. That's the one thing which I thought of mentioning for a lot of other users as well. And as usual, we don't get any kind of 4D vibrations and voice changes in the BGMI gameplay. And during this time, I'm trying to use maybe the graphics settlement to choose the smooth and extreme. Sorry, I forgot to choose the smooth and extreme. So during this time, I'm trying to choose the smooth and extreme only during this time of gameplay. So let's see, friends, how much the phone can actually charge. And the brightness I did leave exactly maybe 60%. That should be kind of okay, I would say, because yeah, that should be kind of average 60% of the brightness when the match is going to start. And right now the temperature, the battery percentage increased to 40%. Not bad. So starting from the 35 to 40, so 5% increased. So I'll try to play the game continuously. So I won't spectate. I'm trying to say I won't spectate. I'll try to play the game non-stop. So in case if I'm trying to spectate, I'll try to inform in the video itself, friends. So I don't want to do like that. So that's the reason I'm trying to inform right now. I will not spectate. I'll try to keep running and keep playing non-stop. So sound I did keep slightly low. Well, maybe I'll try to increase a little bit kind of volume. Why not? Yep. And the temperature still now within 2 minutes of charging and opening this game, 34 degrees it increased, 35 degrees increased. As you can see, within this 2 minutes of time, 35 degrees, not bad. So this will be a very good test on the charging speed test and on the temperature. So this is a kind of 2-in-1 video, I can definitely say that. So make sure to comment below, friends, in case if you are interested in this kind of videos. I can definitely try different kind of games. So different gameplays I can definitely try. Right now it's of 41%, the battery 42%, not bad. It's kind of going good. So maybe I'll be back after 15 minutes. So let's see for 15 minutes how much the phone will get charged. That is what I'm going to check. So 35% we did start. After 50 minutes I'll be back again. So right now, friends, we are getting close to exactly 15 minutes of continuously playing the game. Let's see, let me show you exactly what is the battery percentage. So once it gets exactly 15 minutes, I'll try to show you what is the battery percentage right now. And meanwhile, I'm trying to play the game non-stop. So that's another thing which I thought of just addressing. Exactly 15 minutes and the battery increased to 57%, as you can see, from 57. So we started with the 35. So 35 and 57. So overall 22% got increased just within 15 minutes of charging. As you can see, only 15 minutes. So this for the first 15 minutes. So overall, maybe in the 30 minutes, if you try to charge, in the 30 minutes, the phone might take close to, maybe it might increase by 40%. That is what I'm expecting. So let's see in the 30. So after 30 minutes, the battery percentage, I'm guessing it would be kind of close to 70. 70 is my expectations. So let's see what will happen with the 70. It can reach 70 or not. That is what I'm going to check. So as I said, using this kind of scenario, it's really tough. The phone temperature is also maintaining 37 only. It's not increasing. That's another good thing, because usually when you're trying to play the game and charge in the phone, the temperatures will increase a lot, but that's not happening even in the backside near the battery area as well. So there's nothing much high temperatures detecting. That's another good advantage, I would say. So overall, I think the phone is trying to keep the temperatures very low when charging, but not when gaming. So when you're trying to play games and when you're trying to do a lot of benchmarks, the phone doesn't keep the low temperatures. The performance is not compromised in any manner. Doesn't matter what you do, charging or benchmarks or anything, doesn't matter. So I'm going to be back exactly after 30 minutes. So let's see for the 30 minutes how much the phone can get actually charged. I thought of doing complete 100%, but it's not good for the battery's health. That is the reason I'm not trying to screw my phone. That is the reason. So that's why I thought of doing only for the 30 minutes. So I'm going to be back after 30 minutes of continuously playing the game. As you can see, friends, right now we're getting close to exactly 30 minutes of playing. So 30 minutes it's been continuously playing in this phone, and the battery percentage reached to 74%. So we started about 35% and now it's 74%. So overall, I think the battery increased by 40% as a round figure. So just take the round figure. So 40% increased for just 30 minutes of continuously playing the game and charging the phone at the same time. As you can see, friends, this is the difference. So what I'm expecting is that the next to fill the 100% will definitely take more than 30 minutes. I think overall, starting from 0% to 100%, if you want to charge the phone, it might take close to 1.5 hours of time. 1.5 hours, sometimes even 2 hours, depending upon the intensity of the game of you're playing. So this is a quick review, friends, on the iQOO 7 device, which I thought of just showing you a normal mini test. In case if you want me to do that kind of risk starting from 1% charging test, so make sure to comment below. Definitely I can do that kind of risk for you all, in case if you're interested to know more details. But right now let's take the temperatures. How much? Temperature is remaining pretty normal, 37 degrees. So 36, 37 is the highest. That's it. It's not pretty bad. So 37.2, it's not that bad, I would say. Even backside is of 36 degrees, not bad. As you can see, friends, this is a quick review on this iQOO 7 device. So charging and playing at the same time the BGMI game. And thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video, and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other doubts, make sure to let me know in the comment section below. Until then, stay tuned, friends. Bye.